I look at you from across the way, but you don't seem to see me today. Your eyes, once filled with love and light, now look away, as if out of sight. You used to hold me close and tight, whispering words that felt so right, but now it feels like we have grown apart, and it weighs so heavy on my heart. I remember the days, the laughter, the fun, when we were one always on the run. We had talked for hours, hand in hand, dreaming of a life so grand. But somewhere along this road we walk, the silence came, and we stopped to talk. Your touch is cool, your words are few, and I wonder, have you forgotten to? You forget me, the way I smile, the way I had hold you all the while. You forget the love we used to share, a love that once was always there. I still remember the way you had said that I am your world, your night, your day, but now those words they have slipped away, leaving behind a world of grey. I call your name, but you don't turn. The fire in your eyes does not burn. You forget me, the love we knew, the life we promised to see through. How did we get here? And I, once so close, now just passing by. I wonder if you ever feel the same, or if you even remember my name. We built a life, or so I thought, with every dream, with every thought, but now those dreams seem far away, as if they have faded day by day. You forget the nights we spent so close, the way you held me, loved me most. You forget the promises we made, and now it feels like they have all decayed. I hold on tight to memories dear, hoping somehow you will come near. But the more I reach, the more you fade like shadows cost that love has made. You forget me, I feel it clear. The love we had is now here near. I call for you, but you don't hear. The distance grows with every tear. Once upon a time, we were strong, but now I wonder, was I wrong to think that love would never end? That you had always be my closest friend. I wish I could turn back the clock, back to the days when our hearts would talk, when every moment was filled with grace, and I could see love in your face. But now I stand alone in the crowd, calling your name, but not too loud. For you forget me, I see it now, and I don't know why or how. You forget the way I had love with you. The way we had danced, just us two. You forget the way we used to be together, wild and always free. I cannot pretend that it does not hurt to feel forgotten, lost in the dirt. But even though you have gone away, I shall hold on tight. Come what may, you forget me, but I remember you. The love we had, so pure and true. I remember the way we had dreamed and planned, how we had faced the world hand in hand. I still love you, even now, even though you have forgotten how. I still believe in what we shared, even if you no longer care. You forget me, it's plain to see, but I hold on to what we used to be. For in my heart, I shall keep you close, even if I am the one you choose to lose. I hope one day you will remember too the way we loved, the way we grew. But until then, I shall stand right here holding on to all that's dear. You forget me, but I shall never forget the love we had. The first time we met, for you were my world, my shining light. Even if you have slipped out of sight, maybe one day you will look my way and remember the love we lost today. But until then, I shall keep you in my heart, even though we have grown apart. You forget me, and that's okay. But I shall still love you, come what may. For even though you have let me go, I shall hold on to the love I know. You forget me, but in my soul, I shall always cherish what made us whole, the memories, the joy, the love we knew. I shall keep them all just for you. And so I stand with love in my heart, even though we are worlds apart. You forget me, but I shall never forget the love we shared without regret.